Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So I wanted to do this video for FlexArmor to say that, FlexArmor makes a lot more superior quality roof coating. Here's one that says RV Armor, and I'm not sure if they're related in any way or not. I don't think they are, but here's a coating that was put on this roof, and the coating job looks pretty good. They applied it, but it's definitely not as thick as like a FlexArmor. So we do coatings too inside, but it's all hand painted on and put on, so they kind of come out similarly looking like this. But we've been interested lately in getting a hold of FlexArmor and saying, hey, what's it take to get set up with you if we wanted to go ahead and do that, and then of course making sure that we are compliant with all the California laws and all that kind of nonsense. But anyways, I just wanted to show you a competitor's roof from a different company, and it's okay, but I think the way that they're doing it is a lot better. I know in the past we have some videos out, saying that there was different things that I didn't, my opinion, that I didn't like, but it wasn't anything to be like, oh, don't do it. It was more or less like, oh shoot, when we go to do the repairs on this, we're gonna have to take all that apart or compromise it or whatever. But hopefully, if the person does have that done to their roof, they don't hit anything and cause damage to it in the first place. So anyways, I just wanted to throw a shout out there to FlexArmor and say that we're all for it. Keep up the good work. And there's only one other place in California that's near to us. It's in Napa, and pretty soon we might even go stop by and say hi and check out and see their system if they'll show it to us. And stay tuned for more. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Dustin, RV Specialist.